Hey folks, Rich Alman here, developer advocate, SAP Devs. I've got another rapid fire segment for you this week. First, it's about that time again. Time for another release of SAP BTP ABAP environment. Meredith Tamel from ABAP Product Management recently posted a blog post which gives us all the details around the 2305 release. Lots of new goodness for ABAP development tools, new features around administration and CI/CD, integration and security, reuse services, including some cool stuff in the XCO library, and much, much more. For a full list of the new features, make sure to check out the blog post today. In other news, fellow SAP colleagues have released the ABAP Cleaner tool. So we've all heard about the guidelines from the Clean ABAP Style Guide, but these are just guidelines, and basically it's up to the ABAP developer to adhere to those guidelines. The ABAP Cleaner tool attempts to automate some of this for us. With ABAP Cleaner, you can clean any amount of ABAP code with a single keystroke within ABAP development tools. So pretty cool stuff here, folks. So check out the GitHub repository for more information. Lastly, although not specifically related to ABAP, I wanted to mention another blog post that has recently been published about the SAP S/4HANA Cloud free trial, which allows you to explore S/4HANA Cloud for 14 days and includes 35 guided tours over a wide range of business cases. For more information on the free trial, check out this blog post today.
Hey everybody, Josh Bentley, developer advocate, and I wanted to spend a minute or two highlighting some Sapphire related items that came out of last week's on-site Sapphire in Orlando, Florida. First, I wanted to highlight a great blog post from Kishore. Kishore had a blog post entitled Sapphire 2023 Future-Proof Innovation Keynote Highlights. This basically covers all the keynotes that were done as part of the 2 days of keynote sessions. DataSphere, SAP Mobile Start, even a GPT prototype for CAP were covered, along with many more demos, in total 11. So please read through this blog post, find all the product details underneath each demo, as well as a video accompanying all the great technology that was recapped as part of Sapphire 2023. In addition to that, I wanted to highlight that the developer advocates also put out 2 developer news segments during Sapphire, one for each day. There were great highlights, and we thought that several of the things that were released would be relevant to our developer audience, so we recapped them in a developer news segment each day. I will link to the Sapphire 2023 demo blog post, as well as both developer news segments in the description of this video.
Hi, I'm Ian Thane, developer advocate. For those of you interested in SAP app development for mobile devices, I'd like to draw your attention to a new announcement alongside the area of SAP Fiori for iOS. It's SAP Fiori for watchOS, and it provides a familiar, consistent, and holistic user experience for SAP software running on Apple's watchOS. Designing for watch apps presents a fundamentally different approach from designing for mobile apps. So check out this document, which is also linked below. It will take you through the differences in design principles, layout, navigation, and more between mobile devices and wearable devices. Within the same document is a resource on SAP Fiori for watchOS Design Kit 1.0. This Figma UI kit contains SAP Fiori for watchOS UI components, patterns, page types, and fundamental elements such as colors or typography. It helps accelerate design and development processes and encourages consistency across SAP applications. So start designing your own SAP Fiori for watchOS apps now.
We just wrapped up week 2 of our May Developer Challenge, and we're now gearing up to welcome week 3. Last week's challenge was all about open source ABAP. You were tasked with installing the ABAP to UI5 project in your system and creating a program using ABAP to UI5, which displayed an input screen with 2 fields and a button. To earn credit for week 2, participants were required to provide a screenshot of the result, showing the server responding with a message. We received so many submissions and we're thrilled to see everyone enjoying the challenge. For week 3 of the Developer Challenge, we're shifting our focus to ABAP Mustache. Your task is to create an ABAP application that employs this framework to output some data to those console. The way you use ABAP Mustache is entirely your call. It's your opportunity to get creative and showcase your abilities. Whether you prefer to keep it simple or go all out, it's completely up to you. Now, once you're finished, all you have to do is share your work in ABAP code and present us with a screenshot of the console input to demonstrate that you successfully completed the challenge. We're so excited to see what you all come up with. The link to the blog post and all the challenge details can be found in the description below.